Every time you drive, invisible rays are silently aging your skin. Imagine glaring sunlight pouring through untinted car windows, the heat shimmering, intense and relentless. Watch a driver squint and flinch as harsh golden rays sting their eyes and skin. Now with a sharp whoosh we shift, the same driver behind expertly applied cool window tint. Their shoulders relax, the world outside softens into comfort. This isn't just style, it's protection. Tint Life Window Tinting in Douglasville uses cutting-edge films. Our films block 99% of harmful UV rays, those silent culprits behind premature aging and fading interiors. See smooth precision as tint film is applied expertly, reducing glare, heat, and risk. Local professionals hand over keys with a smile, knowing they've protected what matters most. As the car glides into a golden sunset, it wears its invisible shield proudly. Style, comfort, and safety, all in one perfect tint. Protect your skin, protect your ride. Visit tintlifewindowtinting.com.